Looking for a premium 7-seater that's genuinely easy to live with? Have a look at this one. This is a 2018 Toyota Alphard 2.5-litre hybrid with E4 all-wheel drive, in GF package trim, the grade that brings the leather, the twin sunroof, and the power everything. The hybrid system pairs a petrol engine with electric motors front and rear. That gives you all-wheel drive traction when you need it, and hybrid fuel economy the rest of the time, a genuinely rare combination in a van this size. Inside, it's built around the second row, captain's chairs with ottomans, power sliding doors on both sides, and enough space that nobody argues about who sits where. This one's travelled 106,122 kilometres. We picked it ourselves at auction through our Osaka office, and it's been inspected and complied in our own workshop here in Dandenong. Available now at UniBee Australia, 99 Lonsdale Street, Dandenong. Call us on 03 9042 8522.